Hello, everyone. And welcome once again to House Music. Yeah, House Music. So, today, I want to show you how to chop on the piano, right? How to chop on the piano on the key of F, yeah. And then also some progressions. But we will look at one song, this song. You know, how to chop for praise songs, yeah, for praise songs. Yeah, for praise songs, and then you can use in also in Ambaja, Adowa, reggae, yeah. But for today we are looking at chalking for praise songs, yeah. So I'll play a music along, a ministration by Minister Yabwodu, yeah, Yabwodu. I'll play it along, and then I will show you. I'll play, and then I'll play. Yeah, I'll play the song, then I'll play the keyboard along, chopping. And when I finish, I'll break it down. Okay. But before I do that, if you have not subscribed, please keep on subscribing. Subscribe. Just click on the subscription button and you're good to go. There are more things coming your way. There are more videos coming. So subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Okay. So let's go. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we are breaking it down, the chord first and then the chopping follows. Now it was yes, honorable, right? Ahen for honorable. So this is the progression. Ahen for honorable 4. I'm a 5. Yeah. This is the basic progression. And then I've already told you when you are going to 4, you can play F major dominant. So Ahen for honorable. I'm a right? oh say yeah, 4, yeah, yeah. It's the same progression. Say yeah, yeah. Ahen for him reba, say yeah, right? So now, how do we chop? Basically, I've already told you, when you are merging two hands, they don't go the same time. One goes up, one goes down. Oh, goes up, one goes down. So it's like this. So even when you are merging with the bass, it's the same thing. One this do a different thing. The left hand also do a different thing. So it's the same thing that applies to chopping. So now, for the chopping, this is constant. It's like a pendulum. It goes up and down. So it's like Ahen for him reba. This is it. Right? Basically, we all know how to count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's like 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. Right? So it goes 1, 2, 3, but add 1 to it, So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is 1, 2, 3. So instead of playing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, play it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of playing pa pa pa, play pa 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 pa. So that is how the left hand goes. So it goes, it never rests, right? It never rests. Right? It never rests. And then whilst this is going, never resting, this hand, which is the right hand, should also fill in the spaces, though it is going to and fro, but there are still some spaces. So the right hand is supposed to fill those spaces. So let's try to fill some spaces. So right? We are filling some spaces. Oh, sorry. Right? We are filling some spaces. But yes, still there are some spaces. So we have to fill those spaces. So watch. This is basically is a variation, yeah. Though we are filling spaces, but the first one was a variation. The second one was another variation, and then the third, there will be a third one too. So you can fill in the spaces, and also you can change the variation. So Ahen for him reba. This is our first variation. Now let's change it. Okay, let's change it. Go. change it. So it's like, right? That's how the right hand goes. So add the left. So now we know 3 variations. So the 4th one will be something else, like something a bit different. So let's go through first variation, second variation, and then the 3rd variation, and the 4th one will be a different thing. So Ahen in reba. This is the first variation. Okay, the second variation. Okay, the 3rd variation. You get it? The 4th one will be yes. So the main thing is the movement of the right hand. So when you change the variation, it depends on the movement of the right hand. You can change it to a fast moving, like looking at from the first variation to the 4th variation, we were filling spaces, although, but the right hand for the first variation, it wasn't faster, but second one, 3rd one, it was a bit faster. So the variations for the variation you have just looked at, the difference is how fast they were, like each of them were. Yeah, so that's it. And then when it reached, there are some chords that I want to show you a progression. So when it reached oh say yeah, you are going to 4, right? But that you play B flat major dominant, right? Do mi so do, right? And when you come to 1, you play F dominant, right? So I am for him reba, right? So oh say yeah, 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 right? Say yeah, yeah, yeah. I am for him reba, right? I am say, oh say, yeah. So I mean, there are several progressions, but this is what I want us to look for today. So from now onwards, you can add it to your vocabulary so that it will make you dynamic, very dynamic. So that's it for now. Keep on subscribing for more videos. Okay. Ciao.